At Jupple, we specialize in creating custom digital solutions that drive real results. Whether it's web design, AI-driven development, or custom integrations, we help businesses thrive in a competitive online landscape. Today, we'll show you how we partnered with Zimbatawear, an emerging online clothing store, to achieve an incredible 300% increase in conversions.
Zimbatawear came to us with a challenge. Their existing website was outdated, slow, and lacked the advanced features needed to stand out in a crowded e-commerce market. Their users faced slow load times, a clunky checkout process, and limited mobile optimization, causing their users undue frustration and resulted in high cart abandonment rates. The goal was clear. They needed a modern, scalable online store that provided a seamless shopping experience and boosted sales.
Our first step was a complete overhaul of Zimbatawear's website. We started with a clean, responsive design that prioritized simplicity and functionality. By taking the time to understand their brand identity, we were able to craft a modern layout that showcased their clothing collections beautifully. Every single element of their website, from the homepage to product pages, was optimized to look and feel like their brand and also provide an intuitive user experience for all of their visitors and repeat customers.
Jupple knew that to really make Zimbatawear's customer shopping experience truly special, we needed to bring in some AI magic. So we introduced AI-driven personalization, and it was like giving Zimbatawear's store a personal shopper for each of their customers. With AI, we started by offering smart product recommendations that felt like items were picked out just for them. For instance, if they were browsing summer dresses, the AI would surprise them with a selection of matching accessories that perfectly complemented the dress's style. It was like having a friend who knows their taste and says, "Hey, I think you'd love these." These little personalized touches did wonders. They made Zimbatawear's customers feel like real VIPs, and as a result, they engaged more with Zimbatawear's site and ended up with bigger shopping carts. Plus, the AI was smart enough to remember what they bought and what they liked, so every time they visited, it felt like a fresh, tailored experience. It was like walking into their favorite store where the staff knows their name and what they love. And the best part? Zimbatawear's customers loved it. Knowing that the site was personalized just for them made the whole shopping experience more enjoyable. They didn't have to sift through things they weren't interested in, and that made their time with the site feel more special. In short, our AI personalization turned Zimbatawear's shopping cart into a delightful, unique experience for each customer, and Zimbatawear was thrilled with the results.
Zimbatawear was expanding quickly, and their existing back-end system was struggling to keep up with the growing inventory. We stepped in to streamline their operations by migrating their website to Shopify, a platform that offered the flexibility and scalability they needed. To ensure their inventory management was as efficient as possible, we developed custom plugins tailored to their specific needs. One of the key features we implemented was real-time inventory updates. This meant that as soon as a product was sold or restocked, the system would automatically reflect these changes across the site. This helped prevent overselling and kept their stock levels accurate at all times. Order management was another area where we saw room for improvement. We simplified the process by creating a more intuitive interface that allowed their team to process orders quickly and efficiently. This included automating many of the manual tasks that were previously time-consuming, such as updating order statuses and generating shipping labels. To tackle the issue of cart abandonment, we introduced a one-click checkout system. This streamlined the purchase process, reducing the number of steps a customer had to go through to complete their order. By minimizing friction and making the checkout process as fast and straightforward as possible, we aim to create a seamless experience that encouraged customers to follow through with their purchases. Additionally, we recognize the importance of mobile optimization. With over 70% of Zimbatawear's users accessing the store via smartphones, it was crucial that the site performed well on smaller screens. We ensured that every aspect of the backend, from the inventory system to the checkout process, was fully optimized for mobile devices. This not only improved the user experience, but also helped increase conversion rates by making it easy for customers to shop on the go. These back-end enhancements provided Zimbatawear with a robust and efficient system that could support their growth and improve their overall operations.
To ensure Zimbatawear's website delivered a fast and seamless experience, we focused on several key back-end optimizations that directly impacted site speed. First, we tackled image optimization. Large, uncompressed images can significantly slow down a website, so we compressed all images without sacrificing quality. This reduced their file sizes, allowing them to load much faster. We also implemented modern image formats, like WebP, and this further sped up load times. Next, we leveraged browser caching to store static resources like images, CSS, and JavaScript files on the user's device. This meant that when a visitor returned to the site, their browser could load these elements from the cache instead of downloading them again, resulting in quicker page load times. We also fine-tuned the website's code to eliminate any unnecessary elements that could be slowing things down. This included minifying CSS and JavaScript files, removing unused code, and optimizing the order in which resources were loaded. By streamlining the code, we ensured that the browser could process and render the pages more efficiently. The result of these efforts was a 40% improvement in page load times, making the site much more responsive and enjoyable for users. A faster website not only enhances the user experience, but also positively impacts search engine rankings, as site speed is a key factor in SEO. To further support Zimbatawear's growth, we set up advanced analytics tools, including Google Analytics and heat maps. These tools provided valuable insights into user behavior, such as how visitors navigated the site, where they spent the most time, and where they might be encountering issues. By analyzing this data, we could identify additional optimization opportunities and make informed decisions to continuously improve the Zimbatawear site's performance. This data-driven approach allowed us to prioritize changes that would have the most significant impact, ensuring that Zimbatawear's website remained fast, efficient, and user-friendly.
The impact of our back-end optimizations was truly remarkable. Within just 3 months of launching the revamped website, Zimbatawear experienced a 300% increase in conversions. This dramatic boost was a clear indicator that the changes we made were hitting the mark, turning more visitors into customers. In addition to the surge in conversions, the bounce rate dropped by 40%. This meant that more users were staying on the site longer, exploring different pages, and engaging with the content. A lower bounce rate is often a sign of a more satisfying user experience, and in this case, it showed that customers were finding what they needed and were more likely to stick around. Another significant improvement was the 25% increase in the average order value. This suggested that not only were more people making purchases, but they were also spending more per transaction. This could be attributed to the personalized recommendations and streamlined shopping experience we implemented, which encouraged customers to add more items to their carts. Customers took notice of these changes, praising the website for its seamless experience. The improvements in site speed, mobile optimization, and the overall ease of navigation made shopping on Zimbatawear's site more enjoyable and efficient. As a result, Zimbatawear saw their sales soar, reflecting the positive impact of our back-end enhancements on their bottom line. The transformation was a testament to the power of strategic back-end improvements and their ability to drive significant business growth.
At Jupl, we're all about empowering businesses like Zimbatawear to reach their full potential. Our expertise spans across custom web and app design, AI-driven solutions, and e-commerce integration, and we're dedicated to delivering results that make a real difference. We understand that every business is unique, and we work closely with our clients to tailor our services to their specific needs. Our approach is simple. We focus on creating solutions that not only look great, but also function seamlessly, ensuring that your website or platform works for you and your customers. Whether it's enhancing user experience, optimizing performance, or integrating cutting-edge technology, we're here to help you achieve your goals. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, contact Jupl today to get started. Our team is excited to work with you and explore how we can help transform your online presence into a powerful tool for success. Let's create something amazing together.